Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon chicken, easy method. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and pat chicken dry, then season with salt and pepper. Zest 1 lemon, juice 2 lemons, and mix with olive oil, garlic, and honey. Coat chicken and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Arrange in a single layer with lemon slices and roast until internal temperature reads 165 degrees F and skin is golden and crisp. Gather simple ingredients and tools before you start so the process feels smooth and enjoyable. You will need chicken pieces, lemons, olive oil, honey, garlic, salt, pepper, and fresh herbs. A baking dish, tongs, a zester, and instant read thermometer will help. Trim excess fat, pat the chicken dry, and zest 1 lemon directly over a bowl to capture oils and aroma for brighter flavor in the sauce. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy hands-free timers and music while cooking, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker for this kitchen. It fills the room with clear sound and answers timers without touching a screen, which is perfect when hands are messy. If you like the tip, please subscribe and like this video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Roast the marinated chicken on a rimmed baking sheet or in a shallow dish to allow airflow and crisping. Start skin side up and baste with pan juices halfway through cooking for richer flavor. If you prefer stovetop, sear skin until golden, then finish in oven. Let the chicken rest 10 minutes after cooking to redistribute juices, then spoon pan sauce over each piece and garnish with parsley and lemon wedges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.